Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on simplifying rational algebraic expression. So let's start with the first number. We have 18m cubed n squared divided by 27m to the 6th n. Yung 18 and 27, pwede natin sila pagsamahin. 18 27th. And then yung m cubed, pwede natin sila pagsamahin ng m to the 6th, no? Para makapag-cancel tayo. And then yung n squared, pwede natin pagsamahin yang ng n. So the reason why we can do this is that if we multiply the numerator, no? Yung magiging product nito mga to, ito rin. At yung magiging product nito mga to, ito rin. So pwede natin sila pag-iwa-hiwalayan. Okay? And by factoring, we can get a factor of 18, no? Prime factors. So ang 18 ay 2 times 3. That's 6 times 3. And then ang 27 ay 3 times 3 times 3. And then we have m cubed. Ang m cubed over m to the 6th, of course, you can have the m cubed at the numerator, and then yung m to the 6th, dapat lagyan natin ng m cubed para makapag-cancel tayo. Tapos, anong matitira na lang? M cubed pa rin, kasi m cubed times m cubed equals m to the 6th. Tapos yung n squared, we have n times n, and then divided by n. Okay? So, lahat ng mga pwedeng i-cancel, yung magkaparehong numerator at denominator, cancel natin yan, pero lagyan natin ng 1, no? Bakit nga ba natin nilalagyan ng 1? Kasi, pag nag-cancel tayo, 3 divided by 3, we divide this by 3, so this becomes 1, and we also divide this by 3, this becomes 1. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng cancellation, no? So, ang problema kasi dyan, pag hindi mo nilagyan ng 1, minsan nagiging 0 siya pag nakalimutan, pag walang natira. Okay? Tapos yung m cubed, so m cubed divided by m cubed, that's 1. M cubed divided by m cubed, that's also 1. And then yung n, 1 din yan. Okay? So, simplifying, we have, ang number natin ay natira. 2/3, diba? So that's 2/3. And then yung m, wala nang natira sa taas, 1 na lang. So 1 yung red na 1 dito. Tapos yung sa baba, 1 times m cubed, which is m cubed. So that's 1 over m cubed. Tapos yung dito naman sa kabila, yung sa n, may isang natirang n sa numerator. At yung nasa denominator natin ay 1. So that is equal to 2 times 1 times n. That's 2n. And then yung denominator ay 3 times m cubed times 1. That's 3m cubed. Okay? For number 2, we have x squared plus 3x divided by 5x plus 15. So, x, may common na x, diba? So, pwede natin i-factor out. Again, this is factoring common monomial factor, no? Napag-aralan na natin to sa factoring. So, matitira lang ang magiging x, tapos, plus 3. No? So, notice na pag nag-distribute ako, x squared, and then I have a plus. And then, if I distribute again here, that's 3x. So, babalik siya sa dating expression. That's one way of checking if your factoring is correct. So, divided by, ano ang common? Pwedeng mag-factor out ng 5, di ba? So, 5 times x plus 3. Okay? So, anong pwedeng i-cancel? Pwede itong i-cancel. No? Pero pag i-cancel natin yan, meron tayong idadagdag. that's x is not equal to negative 3. Bakit? Ano mangyayari pag negative 3? Pag negative 3 yung x mo, magkakaroon ka ng denominator na 0, no? And you can only cancel if the denominator is not equal to 0, no? So madalas sa mga books nakakaligtaan yan, pero technically, dapat pag nag-cancel ka na ng dalawang expressions or more than one expressions even, dapat i-exclude mo the number that will make the denominator 0. So ang pinakasagot nito ay x over 5, x not equal to negative 3. Okay, so for number 4, we have x squared minus 4 divided by x plus 2. So this is difference of two squares. Now again, napag-aralan na natin ito sa factoring. X plus 2 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. So naalala niyo yung factoring difference of two squares. Pag meron kang a squared minus b squared, you can factor that out as a plus b times a minus b. So ito yan, a plus b, a minus b. And then, can also cancel x plus 2. And this becomes x minus 2. So magiging 1 ito. Magiging 1. So magiging x minus 2 over 1 or equal to x minus 2. Again, dapat meron kang this restriction na x is not equal to negative 2, no? Para hindi maging 0 yung denominator mo. Okay? Alright, so maraming salamat. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. By the way, the answers are 2n over 3m cubed, x over 5, where x is not equal to negative 3, tsaka x minus 2, where x is not equal to negative 2.